Bradley, that's how my cat was this morning.
How many times do you kiss it then, Josh?
Just one.
Did you wiggle your tongue in that?
Did you have sex with your hoover?
Mm-hmm.
When?
Hey Bradley, it's a pumpkin
Days
chihuahua.
ago.
What did you do to it?
Played around with it.
How did you play round with your hoover?
Like this.
How did you play around with it then?
I just showed you.
Oh yeah, it's kind of like with my friend.
You just what?
I use it as my friend.
You use it as your friend, so you're abusing this hoover.
No.
Does the hoover love you?
Yeah.
Does the hoover love you?
Yeah.
And do you love the hoover?
Yeah.
Oh.
Are you pregnant? No.
Is the hoover pregnant?
No.
What do you mean? That was a bit of a slow no. Is the hoover pregnant?
No.
Is she going to give birth to little
Bradley.
hand vacuums?
Bradley.
Look,
It's quite hot for
if you
something.
want a hand vacuum coming into my house, then I think you'll have to think about it again.
Alright. So, you're going to fuck it tonight again then?
Not tonight.
Why not tonight?
I'll do it tomorrow morning.
You'll just have sex with it tomorrow morning before you go to college?
No.
You'll have sex with it all morning?
No.
What would you do to it
Please just shut
tomorrow
up, Bradley.
morning?
Okay, we'll pack up the hoover.
What?
Oh.
Oh, come on. Change the subject.
Have you had sex with anyone apart from a hoover?
No.
Have you had sex with other hoovers?
Did you have a hooved on?
Huh?
Have you had sex with other hoovers?
Did you get a dusty pinky?
No, I got Dyson.
Yeah, but did you have sex with any other hoovers?
No.
How many hoovers have you slept with?
One.
And does it love you?
Yeah.
Okay then. Do you want to have sex with your teachers?
Hell yeah.
Do you fancy any teachers in college?
Hell yeah. So what is
And tutors.
Who?
And tutors.
Yeah.
Bradley, it's all about Alan. It's
What do you
Cody.
mean?
Do you think any of the teachers are attractive?
No.
What do you mean no? What, do you just want to stick and be loyal to your hoover?
Sure I do.
Now we have it.